When you create reports and do some research, there are times where you want to cite your sources. For example, if you need to give credit to someone from where you gained information, you would want to add an in-text citation such as these so that your sources can be cited appropriately. If you've paraphrased or if you've taken direct quotes as well, those would need to be included in your citations. Once you've inserted all of your citations, then you can create a bibliography. And Word provides you with some nice features in order to do this. So under the References tab, there are some items here under Citations and Bibliography. So we'll talk in just a minute about inserting the citations in an automatic way so that they are inserted as fields, and that's why this is great, and those can be edited. You can manage your sources here, and this will give you a current list of those used in your document. You can delete, add, and edit those from there. The style is the style for your citations. For example, if you choose Chicago or MLA, it will go in and reformat these citations and the bibliography based on the style that you choose. And you can insert all of your citations in your bibliography, and then if you decide, oh, it shouldn't have been APA, it should have been MLA, then you can see that it will go in and automatically reformat those in that style. For right now, I'm just going to use APA. And I'll show you how to insert the bibliography later. It's based on any citations that you've automatically inserted into the document. So when you automatically insert citations through this route, the bibliography will be created from those particular citations. So let's start here, and I'm going to go ahead and delete this. I want to insert a citation here for Collins. So I'm going to insert citation. If Collins was already on the list and I had chosen or I had entered that citation before and that source, I could just click on it and reuse that same source, which makes it very easy to reuse your sources. I have not cited the source before, so I'm going to add new source. The main thing to remember at the top is to choose the type of source, for example, website, and you can see based on the type of source that I choose, it's going to change the fields that I need to enter for that particular type of source. And this also relates back to the style and what you've chosen for the style. So mine is an article in a periodical. I'll type in the last name, comma, first name, and I'll include the title of the article and the title of the periodical. And I'll type in the other information that it requests. It should be C15. If you want to add additional information for the reader, you can show all the bibliography fields. The ones that have the red asterisk are considered as required for that type of source and that type of style. So you can go in and add more information if needed. In this case, we don't, so we're going to say OK. You can see that now it's inserted in the document. If I need to go back and edit that source for Collins, I can do so here, or I can go to Manage Sources. Let's say, for example, I took a direct quote for something in that sentence and put the quotation marks around it so that it's a direct source. If I did that, I can go in and edit this particular citation for Collins. And for example, I can say C15 is where I pulled the quote, and it will include that in your citation. So I don't have a direct quote there, so I'm not going to pull on that direct page number. So those are fairly easy, and I have a number of citations already in my document. So I'm going to go to the last page and Control Enter to add the bibliography. I will go to the bibliography here, and for our purposes, I'm just going to choose bibliography, and it will automatically insert the bibliography for you based on the other citations that you have included in the paper. Again, the bibliography will not pick those up unless you use this insert citation feature. If you need to edit the bibliography, just click in it and choose to update the citations in bibliography here. If you edit, delete, add other citations, it will automatically pull those in.